The Sutra of Ksitigarbha Bodhisattva's Original Vow. Chapter 8. Praises of King Yama and his followers. At that time, from within the Iron Ring Mountain, Lord Yama and his following of infinite ghost kings came before the Buddha in the Triastrimsha heaven. They were the Ghost King Evil Poison, the Ghost King Many Evils, the Ghost King Great Argument, the Ghost King White Tiger, the Ghost King Blood Tiger, the Ghost King Crimson Tiger, the Ghost King Spreading Disaster, the Ghost King Flying Body, the Ghost King Lightning Flash, the Ghost King Wolf Tooth, the Ghost King Thousand Eyes, the Ghost King Animal Eater, the Ghost King Rock Bearer, the Ghost King Lord of Bad News, the Ghost King Lord of Calamities, the Ghost King Lord of Food, the Ghost King Lord of Wealth, the Ghost King Lord of Domestic Animals, the Ghost King Lord of Birds, the Ghost King Lord of Beasts, the Ghost King Lord of Mountain Sprites, the Ghost King Lord of Birth, the Ghost King Lord of Life, the Ghost King Lord of Sickness, the Ghost King Lord of Danger, the Ghost King Three Eyes, the Ghost King Four Eyes, the Ghost King Five Eyes, the Chili Shur King, the Great Chili Shur King, the Chili Cha King, the Great Chili Cha King, the No-Cha King, the Great No-Cha King, and other such great ghost kings. With them were hundreds of thousands of minor ghost kings who dwelt throughout Jambudvipa, each presiding over certain jurisdictions. Aided by the Buddha's awesome spiritual strength and the power of Earth-Store Bodhisattva, Mahasattva, all these ghost kings joined Lord Yama in the Triastrimsha heaven, and together they stood to one side. Then Lord Yama knelt down, placed his palms together, and said to the Buddha, "World-honored one, aided by the Buddha's awesome spiritual strength and the power of Earth-Store Bodhisattva, I have been able to come to this great assembly in the Triastrimsha heaven with all these ghost kings, and to our benefit join in together. There is now a small doubt that I should like to express, and we hope the world-honored one will be compassionate and resolve it." The Buddha told Lord Yama, "I will answer whatever you want to ask." At that time Lord Yama looked respectfully at the world-honored one, made obeisance, turned his head to acknowledge Earth-Store Bodhisattva, and then said to the Buddha, "World-honored one, I observe that Earth-Store Bodhisattva uses hundreds of thousands of expedient means to take across beings who are suffering for their offenses within the 6 paths of rebirth. I see that he does so unstintingly, without the least fatigue.